Let me be a basic YouTuber for a solid 5 seconds. Oh god, I actually do all of that like on a normal daily basis. Anyways, hi guys. So today I'm gonna be doing a video because someone on my Instagram asked how to glow up fast. So instead of doing one of those BS ones where it's like, oh, drink more water, like, no, I'm gonna give you like all the tips that I did that actually gave me results in like 2 months. Even though I look ridiculous before, I look less ridiculous now. I know I'm not pretty, okay? Like, just bear with me. Oh my god, I'm doing it. Also, I'm sorry if you hear construction, because that's construction. We're gonna be doing a video on how I, one, lost like 10 kilos in 2 months without working out, and two, like, got my style like more put in check, and three, looked better like in my face. Like, you know, I looked so ugly before. I don't know how I walked out of the house looking like that. But if you want to know how I did that, just keep watching. But before we watch, can you please like subscribe? Because like I kind of need subscribers. Otherwise I will stop making videos. Okay, and then also like the video and comment your favorite food. No, also comment anything. I don't know, I really comment what video you want to see next. There. Okay, so we're starting with the first tip, which is eyelashes. I cannot stress this enough. Like, I don't know how much like of a difference eyelashes make. Eyelashes make such a big difference. Jeez, like, wow. Like, I don't know how I walked outside without fake lashes before. I know I'm so fake. All I do is just freaking put on fake lashes, but look at how nice they are. They're like, you know, they make your face look better, just fits nicer. Like, I think the first time when I put on lashes, I was like, no, that is not my thing to use. Like, I didn't like it at all. But eventually I kind of grew into it, because it was like, once you start with a really light pair of lashes. So my favorite pair of lashes to wear are the Sephora Plume lashes. These ones, they're good for like everyday wear. And I started with these ones, and they're also really easy to put on. They honestly made my face so much nicer. And then as soon as I started getting used to these ones, I switched to like bigger lashes. I think I switched to this one next. These are the Tarte lashes. I think they're, I forget the name of it, but I'll put it right here. That's what they're called. And then eventually I started using like bigger lashes, like Huda lashes. This is Jade number 13. I already used these ones, but I didn't really like them because I think they were too big. And I swear lashes just make such a big difference. Like, you have to make sure that they're not like, there's like 3 things you have to watch out on, which is, 1, you have to make sure that it's not too long, so you have to cut it to the size of your like eyes, because sometimes people have lashes that are too droopy and they look like whoa Vicky, you know, like, that's not cute. And then there's also the second thing is that you make sure that they're not wonky at all times. Like, sometimes they're just kind of like droop. Let me find like a photo. Yeah, I used to walk around school like that because I didn't know how to wear fake lashes properly. Oh my god, I forgot to close my lash glue. But my favorite lash glue is the D Up one. They're the Japanese ones, and I personally like to use black lash glue. And instead of putting it on the lashes, I actually really like just putting the tiniest bit of it on the lashes and then going over it on my lash line. So I just use it as like eyeliner, and then I stick the lashes on, and this literally makes it stay for the entire day. Like, I cried in these and they still didn't come off. When you're putting them on, like, make sure you have one of these applicators. I got this from Sephora. And you put it from like the middle, so you hold it in the middle, you keep it, you like, I hate it when people are like put on the lashes while they're like drying tacky or something. I don't know, like, you wait for like 5 seconds. But I never wait. I just put it on one lash and then I put it on the other lash. I put it on the first one and I hold it there for 5 seconds, and then each time you're like trying to stick it on your eye, you hold it there for 5 seconds so that it doesn't fall off. And then you also do the other side for 5 seconds, and then the front for 5 seconds. Kind of like tilt your head backwards so you can put it on. That's my tip in putting lashes on. And also always remember to carry your lash glue everywhere so that you can fix them throughout the day, even if you're not leaving the house during Corona, but it really helps you glow up. So, okay, that was a mouthful. I really want pasta. I don't have pasta. So my second tip after lashes is also to do something to do with eyes. It's contact lenses. So if you have black eyes, like, I mean, everybody has different preferences for their own eyes and stuff, but like, I don't really like, I like my eye color, but I like it better with a different eye color. That makes sense. I mean, it helps you glow up. Like, I don't know, I feel like I look so much better with colored contacts on, even though I still just have to wear them because they have like a certain radius or something that fits my eye better than the clear ones, because the clear ones always go back to the back of my eye and I can't see where it goes. And I remember getting like thousands of cuts on my eye and I couldn't open it for like a week straight and it hurt so much. So I started using colored contacts. And I remember the first pair that I got, it was like, it looked like it was glitching. Like my eyes looked like they were glitching. Does that make sense? Like they had like around it and I was like, what is this? So I decided to not wear colored contacts. But then afterwards I tried on ones that were more natural. So if you want like really natural contact lenses, you make sure that they fit in the middle. Okay, there's like color diameter. You want to make sure that it's not going over your iris so that it looks more natural, so you don't see it when you're like moving your eyes around. And also the second part is like the diameter with like where your pupils can see it. You want it to be smaller, because mine's around like 11.9 millimeters for the middle section, so that it looks more natural. But these ones are they're not the ones that I wear every day, because these ones are completely green, but I don't wear these normally. Or the lashes, I just have fake, like I have extensions on normally, but they all fell out because Corona. So right now I'm just wearing these green ones because I don't have any more of my normal contacts, but these are what my normal contacts look like. I get them from Pink Icon, or Olens. Yeah, but you can get them in Hong Kong and they're like natural ones, because you can't really tell. Like sometimes people don't even know if I'm wearing like contacts or not, and I just wear them because they're more comfortable than like clear contacts. The next thing that I did to glow up was to get tanner, because getting tan actually makes you look so much skinnier. I can't describe how much skinnier you look when you're tan, but right now I'm like paler than I used to be when I like over summer, but it's okay. My next tip in glowing up is literally the thing that like changed me the most, like appearance wise. The last thing that changed my appearance the most was literally like the best one. Like, I know you guys are all waiting for it. Like, how did you lose like 10 kilos in 2 months without working out? Like, no, I didn't starve myself. I was fine. I ate a lot. You guys eat whatever you want to. So what I did was go on a keto diet. So if you didn't know what a keto diet is, it's basically no carbs. That means no junk food, no chips, like no like sodas, nothing from under the ground, and like no rice, pasta, that type of stuff. And honestly, being on keto like changed my life. Like I went from this, so I was around like 57 kilos, and to give you a reference, I'm 158 centimeters. So I was kind of like chubbier, and I was like, I had a little bit of muscle because I worked out before, but then I lost all that because I just stopped working out. I was like, Siebes. So then I went on keto for 2 months. I was on a really strict diet. So every morning, I could do like a what I ate in a day video if you guys want. So just like comment that if you want it. But basically, I was on a keto diet, didn't eat any pasta, junk food, nothing for 2 months. And then I lost 10 kilos. But like now I kind of just like, so I went from a 57 to around 47, 45. That was my lowest weight. And then I decided to like stop keto because I was like, I'm so lazy to like keep on going with this. And also people were like, you're getting too skinny, and I was like, maybe, because my clothes were fitting weird. So then I started going back on a normal diet, but it was still low carb, so I don't really have any rice or anything, but I only eat junk food when I'm around friends. So then that helped a lot. And also I drank a lot of water, that also helped. But I lost so much weight, and honestly I think keto is the thing that like changed my entire like appearance, made my face look skinnier, just everything. So but yeah, so keto literally made me lose like 10 kilos, and I don't know, I really like that because it just gave me a lot more confidence in like what I looked like, and I felt like a lot healthier, and it gave me so much energy. For some reason I would sleep like 4 hours and I'd be fine because I was on keto, because it like gives you like energy or something, I don't even know. And I get to put butter on everything. I don't think you understand how much I like butter. Like if I get a steak, I would just slap butter all over that thing, like, or cheese. I would put cheese on it too, and I would put butter in my coffee every morning. And I don't know, keto's just really good, so I like that. And then oh, my next tip is like my clothes got better. I don't know if that makes sense, as in like I dress better. So what I did was every single night I would literally go on Pinterest and I would just pin down like all the things that I liked. So then I looked through my closet, and I can make a video about it. Like you can just go into your closet and then look at all the things that you have and try to make outfits like recreating like Pinterest. You can recreate Pinterest like outfits, and then, or you can just like try to make the clothes yourself, thrift it. I don't know, but that's what I did to like make my style nicer. I don't know, but you can also, I don't know what I'm so confused. What am I doing? I've officially lost my brain. So these are all the things that I did to glow up in 2 months, and I think everybody could do this for Corona. So just let me know if it works, and I'll be making a video again soon, every week. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing with my life anymore. Like, I'm gonna start crying. I don't know. Whatever, it's fine.